Est-ce que vous pensez au ka marié avec yon moun zami ou reme avec déjà?
Hey YouTube, welcome back to channel la c'est Dinderes qui est la caillou pour l'autre vidéo. Yes, as you guys can see, okay, nous gen guest na channel like you see. Caillou,
Hey y'all.
Wozy.
Hi guys.
Okay, so nous put on ti challenge. How is it called? Is this a challenge or salad? Okay, so nous allons poser l'autre question, okay? Spicy question, piment, même dit piment. Question qui pique, okay? Pour nous chaque by point de vue, pas nous sur okay? Sous question, okay? So, si vous abonner avec channel là, moi conseille vous faire ça, vous le ba en famille, vous le ba aux amis pour faire qui ça? Pour nous grandir channel là, okay? Nous allons entrer straight dans la vidéo. Est-ce que nous capable donner un garçon qui trompe nous?
Nope.
Straight to the point.
No.
That's my number one deal breaker.
Yeah, me,
I can't forgive that.
no.
It will happen again.
Of
Just
course.
know that.
Once a cheater, always
Always
a
a
cheater.
cheater.
To me.
So, moi-même, personnellement, c'était like, le garçon trompé, m'pas dire, oh, because moi something, or m'pas c'est comme si, like, it's me the problem, but at the same time, ou pas gonna make me question myself, like, qui ça fait ça? What's the reason? And then also now, or what may feel like everything will fair, everything you're going, whatever that you're gonna do, I'm gonna feel like, hey, I have to be on the phone with you 24/7. See what you're about to do and everything like that. So yeah.
Me, I'm thinking. Me is like I'm not even gonna question myself. You wrong for what you did in that period.
Period.
It's not myself. The problem is not me. I know who I am. I know what I do. I know what I deserve. I know what I give. So I know what I should get back. If you go ahead and cheat, that's your thing.
Okay,
That's
so quick
you.
question. Now you're talking for yourself, because sometimes the female be the problems. Sometimes the female, some of them. Now you're talking for yourself. I'm talking for myself.
Yeah.
But some girls, yeah, they are the problem.
They are.
Okay. Period. Okay. Next question.
Ok. Si ou reme garçon, but li mouve nan kabane, esko aprete?
The fact that you give me the mic,
She was holding the mic.
I know she was ready to answer. Now she's just gonna pass me the mic. Like what? Yeah, I feel like. Oh, what was the question again?
Eske, si ou reme garçon, non. Oui, si ou reme garçon, men li pa bon sou kabane, eske ou aprete?
Si m reme garçon li pa bous kaban, eske m aprete? I mean, I feel like I would like, cause some people they can do it. They just need like, for you to teach them, pour montrer yo bien. Like, même si moi même moun nan, li pa bon sou kaban, m pense m'a montre li.
Sa kon el pa konnen, non? Se just li fait tout ça l ka fe pou li satisfè, li still la ka satisfè.
Li pa ka satisfè mo lord.
Ase mwa pase sou kote la.
Non, c'est pas parce que sou kote.
Sa mwa pa apren ni.
Non.
Li gen te konnen tout bagay, but li just tout ça l fè, ay va jam ka mache pou. But ou remel.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Like se lan mou la vi ou.
Non, ma brete aven. Mwen ta anek mwen nek mwen, li baka fon ek mwen skabon, mbap mwen, ma brete anek mwen. Nek mwen ap chache zouti nou an.
Oui, ok. Se selman si mpa reme moun nan, mpa prete nan situasyon sa. Paske
Yeah.
mpase kom si gen plis de bagay de yo a ke moun pran, gen siwo, gen komprime, ke nou ka ese
Literally, pou fix that.
pou
The
fix
problem.
that. So, depi mwen men moun nan, sa pa kom si primordial pou mwen nan relasyon.
Yeah.
Kom si depi l bom tout lot bagay ke mwen chache yo, sa ke l pa gen, nou ka travay sou sa, nou travay sou sa. But si sa reme moun nan, son lot problem.
WhatsApp audio.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Young and
Next.
Guilty.
You're gone. Gone.
Done, bye.
I can never. Aimer un garçon. First, I think I'm not gonna say the first thing. It's gonna be the first thing because soon nous croiser mon nom, right? Soon nous croiser mon nom, soon nous croiser le garçon. After we date with this, I think that's gonna be the next step, right? So soon I see this next step, I don't think we're going for. I don't think. Am I wrong? I don't think we're going for. Till
It comes to
plan.
that because some cases it might be different. The person might be like that later on in the relationship.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
can't
so-
give anything.
So that's why it says
And I like that. So, no.
alright.
Next question. Oh. Est-ce que ou ka pardonner un moun ki trahi ou?
It dépend de qui genre de trahison.
Trahison.
Parce qu'il y a des trahisons qui pas pardonnables.
Who like what?
Donc like on moun kap dénigre ou comme si qui pas de moins intérêt ou really nan friendship là ou bien relation. Comme si la marché par ou mal or something like la sali image ou moun sa pas de jam zan moun la jam vraiment avec différence comme si son moun comme son bail qui a passé entre ou même avec moun sa qui était comme c'est plus simple comme son jugement ou bien something or argument parce que c'est plus facile pour pardonner moun sa que ça me se dit hein.
Trahison.
Yeah.
No.
That's it.
Oh, no, I don't think mba koy ke m ka pardonner moun, spécialement like soute moutem like ou zanmim and then you doing that like you wa parler mal or do something like ambition or whatever that it is. No, we cannot never.
Yeah, me neither. No friends. No. Nou ap ka zanmi si ki wap trahi, si ki wap pale mal.
Cause ou ka tuye tout.
Yeah, like,
Ka tuye.
Est-ce que OK, question est-ce que nous pensons nous ka manipuler garçon?
Ok, est-ce que je pense que je manipuler garçon? Manipuler garçon dans le sens, moi-même pour moi, si je comme si je besoin de bagay, comme si je besoin pour mon soit acheter un bagay pour moi, ou bien besoin bagay, ou bien besoin pour mon faire bagay pour moi, parce que il y a façon de faire mon faire pour moi. Sans comme si, I don't know.
So that's mean the right way manipulate, like the right way. So like
Yeah,
you have
'cause
a
there's a bad
boyfriend
side.
and then because there's a bad side. Sometimes when you got some garçon or something.
Oh non. Because faire comme si manipuler pour me prendre l'argent mon nan, ou bien manger l'argent like.
I don't think mwen pa pense m ka manipule nan n'importe sens, to be honest. I don't know. I feel like it's the see white and the white for you to do something, you just know you should do it or whatever. But I don't see me manipulate somebody to do stuff for me or to do anything. Like it just oublie faire ou pas faire. That's it. You didn't answer, no? Did you? Ou pense?
Oh yeah, my answer no.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Est-ce que me pense me ka manipulate? Yeah, I can. Like yeah, my boyfriend. Like I'm really like. Papi. Can you do this?
Sweetie.
Sweetie, please. But yeah, I can. Yeah, but
But
right
is
way.
that a manipulation? Is that a manipulation? Because what is a manipulation?
I think I think yes, most of female, but say like 99% female fairlies. Yeah, because sometimes when you got like one of you said the thing or something like that, or when not just she die la fait something and then you don't feel like get up, you don't feel like be like, yeah, puppy, please. It's like I'm hurt, my stomach, I'm really starving, I'm really hungry, and grandma must go. Like I think it's a manipulation. I don't know, probably. Yeah. Come on now. Next question.
Est-ce que vous pensez au ka marié avec yon moun zami ou reme avec déjà?
Heck no. Fuck no. I'm not even talking to you. Why are we having a conversation?
I know.
What?
No.
Maria,
what?
somebody my friend was with whatever the English is.
Every time I'm thinking about that,
That's
I'm like,
no.
nah.
No.
Here now. Ou plutôt garçon riche qui pas fidèle, ou soit pauvre qui fidèle.
Money,
It
fashion.
cannot be puff, but the puff are puff. Cause I got kids, I cannot be puff. Let's be clear.
Yeah.
It cannot be puff. That straight up, I would be with the rich.
Puff. For next thing you know, it's somebody who don't have a car and he's coming to use your car.
Give me the rich. Give me the rich, cause baby, I got kids. Like, let's be for real. Like, comment faire mener petit ménage, comment faire take care of my kids, comment faire mener petit ménage l'hôpital, but no.
It's baby maman no travail.
No,
Pour
but
qu'elle travaille machine là.
eh? No. But yeah, I can.
Rich daddy.
Yeah.
Je préfère pauvre but fidèle. Parce que je ne vais pas donner infidélité. Et puis tout, je pense que pour ces femmes là, mon moyen fait happy, so même si il pas de gagner, quitte li te gagner. Depuis mon fait happy, moi même mon et mon fidèle, I'm okay. So.
I answered already.
You did?
I said, give me that rich man. Give me that rich.
Okay.
But no, let me put to what I said so y'all don't take it out of context. So I feel like a poor man, that's a lot of stress. It comes with a lot of stress that I really, but I would be with like a man that's don't have it, that don't have like a lot of money, like she said, but
At puff we talking.
I'm talking about POV. You all know what POV mean. POV, no money,
Homeless?
nothing.
Homeless?
POV.
homeless. No, I'm sorry.
You don't have to be homeless. But
That's
the person
POV.
is POV. Okay, but there's all levels
Okay.
to POV.
Okay,
What
what's
level?
what
But
was
think
the
about the
level?
lowest.
The
The
lowest?
lowest?
I can't do the lowest.
Give me that rich man.
Wait.
Sugar daddy.
Cause I can't. Nah.
Especially
Yeah.
like me, I have. If you know, you know. Give me that rich address, number, and everything. Alright, so next question. So, hold on. Est-ce que vous tourner avec un garçon seulement parce que on envie faire?
Mais parce que
Hell
les
no.
con fait.
No. Why? I left you
On
for a
fait là on love
reason.
moun.
Literally.
Ou bien est-ce que parce que moun nan gon
Yeah,
jan
the
fel,
Asian fell is the
just
only one that can.
One sign
Oh,
is
the only one? I can't do that. No, even you, the only one who do
only one she
everything.
love.
Okay, so let me take that. Okay, let's say on dit comme ça que someone, okay, ou te just quitté, but not a bad way, pas for mal, not a bad way, and not a bad person, but you just really wanna do it and you single
And you can get along.
and you can get
But you're
along.
not you don't have no beef.
Yeah, and then now especially you single,
You
ou pas gen
single.
moun, ou pas gen ménage, ou pas gen nothing. You
Why
can.
y'all
We wanna make you do it.
Yeah. Why y'all trying
Wait,
to make it
no,
look
I'm
like
just-
it's okay?
No,
to do
I'm
it?
pas clear the question, but back question on clear. But okay, now nobody can say like okay, just because the person really know how to do it and you really wanna do it, and that's the only person you can get right
He will
now.
like that. He will
Like that,
flip you every which way.
like that, and right now. You're the only one can do it the way you like it, and then you're the only person you can get right now
Anybody else out of the
The
country.
moment.
at the moment.
Exact moment.
Yeah.
Nou wap tourne na fel evidon.
Yeah, that's
Nou wap tourne na sa de kondisyon. Konen go ti ba na regle sa. You know na pali na regle sa, but you know.
Yeah.
what about you?
I feel the same. I feel like I would do it and then we just
Go see
I mean
the
I already
next
know
thing.
we can't be together, so I can't say
Yeah.
after we do it we're gonna be together, but yeah, we're gonna do it. If I don't have if that person nobody keep this on bad term and I'm
Yeah.
single, if I have somebody, no. no matter how
Definitely,
good that
yeah.
person made me feel, if I have a
Definitely.
boyfriend at the moment, I'm not gonna do it. But if I'm single, shoot, I'll do it 3-5 times.
Okay, do it 3-5 times.
Me? Give me that number so I can call you.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, where are you? Pull up.
I pull up on me. One time vacation.
Ouais, question pour Kayo.
Sou te marié avec, oui, ou marié, ou gen marié ou, li vin al nan prison pour 10 ans. Est-ce que ou ap tan li?
What do you do?
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Yes, prison 10 years, it don't matter. Just worry about the time he's doing.
No. It has to be something. If you do something.
Okay, well, take something in your head. Put
Okay.
something in context.
The only
but-
reason on sait raison comme caractère avec un garçon soit. What? Like there's no reason,
But you married.
divorce. But let's say, comment on dit ça? Si moi un caractère avec un garçon qui a un raison pour tenir. Actually, nous pas prêter parce qu'on est en prison. OK, m'ka dit m'a prêter non.
What?
Sis would do
What?
her thing.
Li fin entre, li tourne. Comme si. Li entre, après ça, li tourne back.
Raison qui fait caractère non garçon. Bon, va prêter ensemble non caractère. Raison on laisse si comme si like. On dit que raison comme caractère avec un garçon, on dit que si on monde vient la caille non, il t'a mess with the family, il t'a fait un famille on bagaille petite non and stuff like that. Let's say ou tout le monde ça ou du moins souffle on bagaille bad and that. That's the only reason. But while they are while do your dumb shit, your dumb thing, court, divorce, everything.
But yeah, sorry. I feel like I've but something that long distance relationship. I feel like I couldn't do it. Et pas parce que prison no, but the person being away from me, I don't think I can handle another long distance anymore. So that's the reason why I wouldn't do it. But even if the person killed somebody or whatever reason it was, if I could handle it again, I would. But since I don't think I would be able to, I won't do it. Okay.
Ok, mwen pa di ke se familyen pou l defan selman pou mwen te tan ni. But I feel like mwen dab rete tan ni, mi do. I feel like if I love my man no way.
Anything?
No, mba di anything.
Say it depends.
Yeah, it depends.
Just like
on,
you.
Yeah,
It depends on what he
depends
did.
on what he did. But not only saving the family, he could have done something else too, but I still forgive him and stay for him, wait for him. But yeah, I feel like I would wait for my man to come back.
10 years.
I know. It's because you've never done long distance.
That not even long distance, no.
Say infinite distance.
Long distance mean okay, you do the thing and everything and come back.
You can too.
Yes, you can.
You can.
That disgusts me.
It's not. There's a room special for that.
No, I
You can go do
no.
visitation and then
No,
y'all do the
no.
do and then
No.
you all.
Well, I will have to do this jail like 5 days a week. 5 days a week from that.
What if the roles were reversed? Wouldn't you want somebody to wait for you for 10 years?
Yeah.
No, because I won't stay for you for 10 years. I won't.
So you don't expect it.
I don't expect it. Should she become a man?
You said no for her. She like.
A man? No, I would never like believe a man will wait for me for 10 years.
I
No.
know, that's true.
No, whoever man that's in my life right now, or like, baby,
Yeah.
Nah.
Is controlling a red flag?
Is controlling is a red flag.
Est-ce que contrôle parler en créole kounya?
Est-ce que controlling?
Est-ce que control c'est un red flag? Tant que son moun, tant que si on gen moun nan relasyon la kontrole tout sa fait ou vire la kontrole ou vire la get am ve téléphone ou get am fait ça, get am fait. Est-ce que ça son red flag ou bien it's a green flag or yellow?
Red. Big, bright red.
Can I say it's the pain?
Cause you are like that, huh?
No, me.
She like that, huh?
Red flag.
I
Like,
don't-
what are
okay.
you?
No,
Let me
probably
leave.
I'm not. Okay, probably I'm not. Reason that it probably not is depend. Tako like me, I don't know. I like to like let's say my man or management sortie or something. He probably like, hey babe, when we get safe, I'll talk to you later. Or probably in 1 hour, no, not even 3 hours, 2 heures, 3 heures, probably like, hey babe, like still past midnight, you can say, hey, babe, we still do have it when you good night, stuff like that. Is that a control or like if you're doing
No, that's
something?
not controlling. That's not controlling.
That's
Because-
not the
well,
what
I
we're
guess
talking
not.
about.
Yeah, that's not controlling. Controlling we're talking about is the person just walk out and get to their car and you on the phone with them like when you coming back, like
Yeah.
how long you gonna be with your
Where-
boys?
where
And then
you
when they
going?
get there, they're like, babe,
Why?
you still there?
Yeah.
Like you not coming home?
Like you stay on the phone like
Yeah, and then you stay on the
24/7.
phone.
Now
You watching your
smiling.
movies. You watching your
should be
movies
you
at
at
home,
home.
and then you on the phone with him. You don't let him enjoy
No.
the company.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
big red flag. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a red. That's more than red flag. Sans, ça c'est sans
Cap coulé.
sans capoler blood flag. Alright.
Ok. Ou toujou ou pense sa son red flag pou toujou nan pale avek ex ou.
Big red flag. Yeah.
Why you said yeah like that? Like that.
Well.
What you think?
See? Her is not even Pale Selma.
What?
Yup. Blood. Bloody flag.
What you think?
Ma promon avec tout honnêteté. Kon sa ki funny? Si menaj ben fel, ma pwe so red flag. But me,
It's okay, huh?
okay, let me say. I don't think it's really a red flag for me. Okay, example, si moun nan respect nou, moun nan konen ou gen menaj, ou gen family, it's just like service or whatever, something ou de kon fè pou moun nan, they need your help or something like that. I don't think it's a red flag.
I don't think you would be okay with that. The kind of service too.
So it depends. Let's say, comme de ka di sa, ok, mwen men fè cheveux, right? Mwen fè cheveux, mwen lave cheveux. I don't think si an ex mwen vini li say, hey, ou ka lave cheveux pou mwen.
You want massage, you want bal bon ti massage na tête.
Yeah, so,
What
yeah.
about body massage?
It's not
I
bad
know.
massage,
Like
regardless.
he's thinking about.
Yeah.
He's
He's literally thinking about your hands
He's
touching
not
him.
gonna tell you, but he still
That's what
like
I'm
have a
saying.
like
That's what I'm
sense, you
saying.
I
know,
know.
a sauce to it.
No, that's what I said. It's not a per ex. Not an ex I'm gonna keep a feeling for me. Not an ex I'm gonna keep a respect. Like, hey, you get on la vie. Not a ex can put him anytime leave late. Not an ex like, hey, ex can carry low with this phone. Can you do cafe supplement this that? Yeah, I don't think it's a red flag. Even for my boyfriend, I don't think to list on red flags. I'm not gonna hey. Especially if you take on back, you take a bill on some, get something, you can get pull fair, pull you, whatever. I don't think.
Yeah,
it's a
I
red flag.
don't feel like it's a red flag, and to the men make it a red flag. Literally. Like,
I don't agree.
But like,
I'm a
like
vouch
she
for the
said-
man over here because
No, like she said, no, it's like
I feel like it's both ways. You'll be your female. You'll be like,
I feel like
it's
female
okay
is
for
too-
y'all to do it, and then
female
when
is
some
okay
men do
to
it,
trust.
it's
Female
not.
is
It's
more-
we
really
know
not.
ourselves.
We
We,
know-
we can
Exactly.
control
We can
ourselves.
control-
Men can so they can't take nothing. Men,
Yeah, for real. I think us female and
I feel like I trust myself enough to talk to my ex without anything going on, but I don't trust you enough to like going like back like do
let's say yeah, like do girls hair or do like
yeah, do some
take them to some places. Same, I don't.
until you have like something that you had before, like that was like it's something a bond, like if I even the bond, it's like something created or whatever it is. It's just like I don't know. I don't see me just okay with you doing everything with
And
your
exactly,
ex.
like what a man can do with a ex female. I don't think most of the time I think like on fille ka plus gen on bagay pou faire pour like garçon, and then a garçon have to do for the fille.
To be honest, it shouldn't
There's
be
so much.
either.
she could be campé dans route là, la machine prend panne, and then she asked him for a ride.
Yeah, that's not a red
And then il a besoin de ride pour l'acheter elle fait maquette. Machine broke down.
Once,
Well,
okay. No, once it's good. Once it's good. Once it's good. Especially, let's say, once it's good. Si vraiment, vraiment, like, li pa gen problem, li gen machine, li ba, I mean, machine li gen problem, li pa gen helps. Okay, but a second time or third time or
Li besoin d'un appointment office, doctor's
Now
appointment.
you're trying to get something. That's not that right now. Pas besoin aide. Now you're trying to do something messy.
Est-ce que nous pensons que si ménage nous pas poster nous pas poster ou bien est-ce que vous pensez ou devez rendre pas connais que j'aime d'abord c'est réciprocité tant que like si ménage pas poster
Est-ce que ça sont red flag?
Est-ce qu'elles sont red flag ou bien like
It is
Pig.
red flag.
Because if we're not posting, both of us.
Both of us not.
If one of us is posting,
What do you mean?
so si nous tous deux pas vle poster yon lot, then we're not posting each other. That's okay. But if we agree that it's okay pour poster like ou poster and then même you like on your side I keep posting you and you never post me, it's gonna stop.
Yeah, so first of all, why we have to agree I'm going to post you and then you have to post me? That's what you mean?
No, I pas agree, no. But I feel like some people do have conversation like that.
Yeah.
Whether or not they want to be posted.
Yeah. But yeah, the question I mean, I don't think it's a red flag for management to post me. Obviously, management pas post me, so that's a red flag or something like that. But yeah, I'm the type of someone they be more like, okay, I want to show the world, I want to show everybody that I have a boyfriend, I love my boyfriend and stuff like that. Yeah, I can post you without even you posting me. I don't mind. But let's say if I don't know.
Yeah, I get it, but at the
there's not a certain amount of time, but I feel like
I feel like
if you keep doing it, and then the men don't do it, like you know how sometimes you have that feeling vie fait.
Yeah.
What about that person? Like that person don't come see Jean même feel about your man. Why that person don't feel like that about you? To be like, man, like my girlfriend is so good to me, like let me show her off, let me show her some appreciation on my page or something. Unless the person is not a social media person.
Yeah. But yeah, that's a red flag. I get it. Like see my posto, at least like you posto a lot,
and then you see it.
You take the word from
sorry.
Yeah, you
okay.
see it.
And then you see that west I'm posto, and then you have like. I'm not gonna say right away. Even if you do it right away, now I feel like you're showing it to me just because I did it. But you know, I probably a couple months and a special picture we did together and we found something and boom on them cow posted on the internet and everything.
I wouldn't. Yeah, I would take it as a red flag. I mean,
yeah. So like you posting.
If I keep posting the person and the person don't post me, I would take it as a red flag.
As soon though. As soon you want, like just because you post it right now, you want the person to post you?
No, not right.
I mean,
not right. No.
To
It's like, okay, let's say in a month, I keep posting you like 3 times and you don't post me once.
Why are you posting him 3 times in a month?
Some people really no. Some people are obsessed with that man.
Obsessed.
My man think
I can be obsessed with my man. I don't put him on social media.
you're not that type of person. Some people they like it to show off, to show, you know.
Me, I feel like it's just like you don't have to post every boyfriend you met, every
yeah.
You don't have to post everybody. Like some people just like
I know
met this person and talk to this person and they already
no.
posted my man,
No.
and the next thing you know they broke up and then they come with somebody else. I know
Yeah.
your Instagram is yours, your thing is yours, but sheesh. Slow
Yeah,
down.
I understand.
Just keep it, you know,
Yeah, I
a
understand.
little bit. Just,
Do you feel like a man being a mama's boy is a red flag?
yes, red flag.
Big red flag.
But I feel like I appreciate a man that love their mom, that care about their mom, their family, whatever it is. But I feel like to be a mom boy is just gonna be a problem in the relationship. It's just like gonna have to be always the mommy, my mommy, my son, my mommy. It's just
too much.
Yeah, I feel like it is.
Be
Can
red
be a red flag.
Especially me. I can never That's
That's a triple flag.
Like what? No, the way I am, no. I'm grateful you have your mom, and I respect you guys love to each other and everything. But mama's boy, everything. Like some men keep mama's boy, they have to talk to their mom way before you. And soon I'm your girlfriend or I'm your wife. I feel like even a girlfriend is depend how deep. I feel like I'm supposed to be, especially whatever that it is. I think I'm supposed to be the person you have to talk to first, or like
Yeah, 'cause
instead of my mom. Not everything, especially since I live together. Not everything your mom need to know.
Yeah, definitely.
Like
Yeah.
no, mama's boy, no. Big baby, hell no.
yeah,
Whatever
that's
you,
what I think too.
no.
Big red flag.
Yeah,
And the
you
question I was gonna ask was, what you think if you're a man? I mean, yeah, in general, if a man is supposed to pick their girlfriend up somewhere and their mom to go grocery shopping or whatever, and then you sitting in front of the car, and then they have to pick up the mom after you, and the mom asks to sit in the front for you to go in the back. What do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?
No, you cannot.
And the boyfriend actually say, babe, like,
Babe. Babe. The way you stop answering with the babe, with that to shut the hell up. Like, babe, what?
babe, can you get in the back so my mom could get in the front?
No.
Okay.
No.
Example. What if the mom, you and the mom and him, you're going out together, and would you left the front seat for the
mom?
the
Yes.
mom, or you sit in the back, or
Listen. Me, see no sorty, right? We're going out, and let's say we are about to pick up your mom. Me personally, I respectful woman I am. Like I'm respect to your mom. I probably know that I'm going to sit on the back seat. But let's say I forgot. I'm not even talking about that. We're rushing, and I'm sit on the front. And no damn way for you to be like, baby, get out. Let my mom sit in the front, or even your mom. Nobody can even say that to me. No. And if you pick your mom, I probably like. Me, I'm the type of person, I know what to do, right? Or like, simply something fair, and then it's like, kind of like, mblie, and then no, don't tell me. See, remember, I probably like, oh, let your mom sit in the front, just to respect. But if I forgot for you to, no, that man don't even talk to me, don't even say nothing to me, even your mom, don't even. Just sitting down, watch me. To see if I'm going to the back, I'm going. If I'm not going, keep on moving, let's go.
what if he told you to go? So what?
I know.
Okay, you would say no. What if he said like, babe, I want you to go in the back because my mom is coming and the like to sit
No,
on the
that
front.
would be very disrespectful. Like, no.
Can that cause your relationship to be over?
Yeah.
Yes, over and over. Like, no. Now, right now, I feel like, no, now there's no respect. Or there's probably like a type of way you can, sometimes you probably keep remind me, oh, my mom is coming, we talk about your mom or something like that. But to just say, babe, my mom is coming and sit in the back of the front, no, I feel like that's very disrespectful.
Yeah.
Like,
I feel like there's a way for them to ask you, like, if he were to be like, babe, how my
and I
mom
don't think
is.
that's a problem.
What
I don't
if
think
he
you have
said,
to ask me anyway. I don't think that's a problem. To be honest, I don't think that's a problem. We pick up your mom, she's sitting on the back seat. I don't think that's a problem. And
pick up your mom, she's in the back seat, period. Or she can go by herself.
like, I don't think, especially we already come pick you up.
I know, like, she said that's the least we could do.
That's the least we could do. Come take you up. You could have
If you want to walk
to the store.
Exactly.
you say,
At least give
you would probably ask her, do you feel like walking today? Is that what it's giving?
Like, yeah, give it a respect. Just put a respect on that. But no, if I know, if I'm like, and I remember, yes, I would like. It's not because it's a problem I have to sit on the front. Mbage PS pour avec ça. But si que m'blier, keep it blier. Don't be like, baby, I'll sit there, but mom sit devant. No, that day we're not going anywhere.
Or she like,
And she like,
Richard son, sou pa fe Claudine passe de yon ba prale, non?
who close? continue talking about what? What you think?
Yeah, I agree. I
also
agree.
agree. I also
Me
agree.
personally,
I would
if
sit on the back.
if I'm being
I
picked
would
up
sit in
first,
the back. Yeah.
if I'm already gonna be the first one, like if he pick up his mom first, okay. His mom sitting in the front, that's okay. But I feel like if we're coming from the same house and we're going to pick up your mom, I'm sitting in the front.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna sit in the back. Okay, let me see respect, but
I feel like
I don't know.
I feel like if we come from the same house, rewind. I feel like if we coming from the same house and then I know your mom is coming, we're going somewhere with your mom, I would automatically sit in the back.
I don't think you
That's
would.
if you remember.
That's if you remember because
Of course
you
I
so
would
used
remember.
you so used to sitting in the
I'm not
front.
that used to sit
Sometimes
in the
no,
front.
sometimes you
I would not.
You
forget
love to
that.
sit in the back,
No.
huh?
I would not forget that. I
No.
would not forget. That's me. I would not forget. I'm like, babe, we coming to get your mother. I'm sitting in the back. I'm not going in the front after the trip. Like,
Baby, sometimes you probably not even remember. Me, if I remember, yes, I'm going to sit in the front. But if I don't,
Cause sometimes you
keep
be
it
rushing
moving. Because
and
even it's just
what
it's
if you
the
have
same
kids?
for my mom or your mom. I don't think it's a problem to sit on the back or my mom sit on the back or your mom sit. I don't think it's a problem. I don't think it's very disrespectful or anything. And I feel like you as a mother, you teaching your child very like a bad way how to treat a woman, or especially you can talk about him, together or me together, but like right away in front of me make me embarrassed, and I feel like that's a drama, and this relationship is not for me. Period.
it's for you and your mama.
Mama.
last question.
Yeah,
Last question to
So we
close
can-
it off. How many red flag can a man have for you not to call it quits?
Whew.
Like, are you a person from the first red flag you gone? Do you need 3 red flags to be gone?
I feel like it depends about the red flag. This flag that's yellow, I can live with.
Well,
But-
what kind?
I said red.
Red.
I'm not talking about yellow.
So why not you just give a name or red flag?
Okay.
You cannot just now be with a man
Yeah, because-
right away.
Like, yeah, like you pick up a red flag and then you can't be with that person, for example. Are you that kind of person? Or even if you see 3 red flags, you're like, I see 3 red flags, but I'm gonna thug it out.
I'm
And
not
keep
talking
going.
about- If
Yeah.
I see a red flag, like, I'll talk to you about your red flag. I don't like that. I don't like how you did that, and then I'll see if you do it a second time, and then
So you will give
Wait.
a chance.
I would give a
For
chance.
one,
I
okay.
would
Let
give
me
a chance.
understand.
Alright.
So let's say it's your first day with
It
the
depends
person,
about the
or
red flag, though.
No, you've been with the person, but
Or
you
it's
you
just that-
finally see that one flag, okay, and you're like, okay, and then you see a second one. Like, are you that kind of person that will wait to see a second one, or as soon as you see a first one, you're like gone, or you the kind of person you're gonna wait to see 5, 6 before you
No.
say, oh, I can't do it no more.
It's depend on the red flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's depend on red flag. It's depend on one red flag. It's depend on one. Like let's. It's depend on one. Especially me. I like to talk about my kids. I like to put kids first. I'm not gonna talk about me. Let's say somebody have a kid. I feel like one red flag if that person do something to your child. Like that's one.
That first
and
red
like,
flag
that
done.
first one Like,
Yep.
I don't think a red flag somebody cooking over your child, don't buy pizza too much, or something, do something, disrespect to your child. I don't think you need to see more or second one. 'Cause
Yeah.
The next one, we both gonna see a red flag. It's gonna be 911 and done.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or a man being disrespectful
Respectful,
to your
yes.
mom,
Be to my mom.
to
or
you.
To me.
or somebody slapping you. You know it's coming.
Slapping. Wait.
What? And now I'm gonna need another
The
red flag.
silence.
911 gonna find out the red flag. 911, what's your name?
Now you.
Slap you, and then you call. Now I'm not gonna call 911 for the
Yeah,
person.
then
911 gonna come because for me.
Who bet someone there? Now you the red flag.
No, I'm not gonna be. I'm gonna, I don't know, but 911 gonna have a conversation.
I don't think
with
that
them.
some men slap me. I'm gonna call 911 for you. I don't. Think
Are you gonna wait for 911?
Huh?
You gonna wait for 911?
Oh, men slap me?
Yes.
I'm not slapping you back.
What do you do?
I come out
So what did
No, baby, I can't.
you don't know what you're gonna do. First of all, it haven't happened to you. The way I don't
feel
think
like
so.
I would put you in prison. That's it. I would literally.
Me, I feel like I would be the one going to prison
Yep.
I would not.
because I would react so emotion like as soon as m'tap tellement
Slap
saisi.
me? What the
M'pa konnen
hell?
sa m'tap jwen ki tap bokote m'nan.
But
Next
but
thing,
last
like you
question.
said, you
Let's
know
say,
I know, that's what I'm
okay,
saying.
next question to wipe it up. Let's say you slap that man and he slap you back.
Why would you do that?
Why would I slap my man? Literally.
You deserve that slap.
If I slap him and he slap me back, I must.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, okay, you know how that song in TikTok that say sit down.
I don't think
But yeah, if you
you shouldn't slap me
if you
back.
slap,
If I be the one,
no, you see, she.
look, there's men that
No.
If I-
You
if that's
should
my
be
first
fair.
time-
You should be fair. There's no first time. Mem, you say for him, if you do it one time, you done, and then for you, it's okay.
I'm a female.
When was that ever? Something that's okay.
But yeah, it probably
Yeah,
like, let's
I
say,
don't do like
you know, sometimes you do something
fighting, like
to you.
physical fight with men. I can't do it.
Yeah.
Like whatever it is, I can do physical fight. Whatever you do, I cannot do physical.
Can you
fight.
imagine somebody
We gonna-
beating you up?
gonna
Was
go to jail.
you're not gonna defend yourself? If somebody start beating on you, and you don't have time to go call 911, you just gonna stay
was
there.
talking about a slap. I
Yeah,
was
no,
I
okay,
was
slap.
just talking about a slap,
Okay.
not beating on me.
Well,
not
that's
sitting
what
me.
the-
It can become that.
You can never.
Cause you don't know where you don't.
got to be fair. Is it a slap or beating on me?
It could become a
Whatever.
beating on you.
So I don't think it should never happen. A slap.
Cause when the person slap you from being mad, the person could slap you one time and still continue to be mad and be like, I told you one slap, and you like, babe, and the next thing you know, li tombe pousso, and then li pon un coup, li meto nan miyan la. What you gonna do?
Comment faire get toute réaction ça?
That's
But
one
no.
slap. I probably like kind of like back up, show you okay. But baby, I'm gonna find the biggest thing in this house to see if I can. Now you call 911 for me. I can never let a man slap
You
me.
can never beat a man, you know that.
Oh,
I can.
some female can.
Baby,
Girl.
when I'm mad, I become a vampire.
That's
It depends. Was even you have it in you. Women capable
It's
to
usually
enjoy la.
let's say
Are you an
especially
angel?
like, you ding me
I'm
wrong,
just a
and then
girl.
I'm
I
mad
don't
or
fight
whatever
with
that it is.
She just being demure
Well,
right
I'm
now.
Both, I guess I'm both.
Okay, be
Man and a
demure.
girl. So
I'm not
I can never
demure.
let a man beat me up. Like slap my face, slap me. I know it probably what I did. It probably not the same kind of like, are your slap. But I will do something to you.
Yep.
Definitely. But yeah.
Yeah, that was fun, y'all. That was
That
fun.
was it. But yeah, guys, e sante vote pou nan channel la, ok? So, si ou remen pa bliye, like, comment, and subscribe. Di sot ame nou pote pou channel la pou nou kive channel la spicy, ok? Pa bliye. Pa bliye. And then, guys, we are 1K subscriber. Yes. Period. So, probably, guys, abonne avec channel and like, comment, okay? So, mettez un comment là, drop down below, qui vidéo on time, pote pour channel, sur channel là pour nous, and then probably, voyez le bas en famille, voyez le bas en amour, pour faire qui ça? Pour agrandir channel là,
Et
okay?
pas oublier passer bon côté dans la channel moi qui
oui,
c'est
Rosy Beauty.
Là
Yeah.
on joue nous toute là encore dans une autre
Vidéo
vidéo.
encore, okay? Mettez le dans description below, okay? So, bye.
Bye guys, we love you.